Lisa Ruble with Love to Color My World, and I'm so glad that you joined us on our Sunshine and Shadows Block of the Month journey. I've got the finished quilt here behind me, and each month we'll be making a block to work on completing the whole quilt. You'll be able to download the pattern for each block each month, as well as the video where I'll walk you through each step of the way. So I'm going to talk a little bit about what goes into it. When you first purchase the bundle, you'll receive the pattern cover and some project notes that just talk about all the things you need to know to get your project started. And then you'll get the month one pattern, and then each month we'll release an additional pattern and the video that goes with it. So we've got a large fat quarter bundle for you here. You will have some excess fabric, but it also allows you some wiggle room if you want to be scrappy. If you look at our quilt here, each block basically uses one of the yellows and one of the grays. There are a couple where it uses two, but we've pretty much just picked one of each of the prints and one of the whites, one of each of the prints for each block. You've got the flexibility with this bundle to mix it up a little bit and make it scrappier looking by doing, say, a different white in this corner, then in that corner, then in that, for example. So whatever you want to do with color placement, you've got some extra fabric to play with here in the bundle. And at the end of our 12 months of putting this block together, you'll also receive the assembly instructions talking about the sashing and adding the borders and